Note, this is not a comedy skit. People in this video are not subject to mockery or caricature. Be warned.
A lot of people think that a rich man enjoys food and drink more than a poor person. But I'm asking, we know that we are not rich like that. Is there anything a rich man calls enjoyment in terms of food and drink that you yourself have not enjoyed?
No. Not any other thing where rich man can say it enjoy more than what I've enjoyed. We are enjoying the same thing, because if it is about a part of food, food is food. He is eating food, me too, I'm eating food. If it's a part of drinking, me too, I'm drinking. So anything now, we are taking it the same thing.
Yes.
What is that?
You met me here, I'm trekking with leg. You know, rich man, you cannot trek as I'm trekking like that.
No, but the question is not about walking. The question is food and drink. Is there anything a rich man enjoys as food that you have not enjoyed?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
So you have eaten everything a rich man has eaten?
Yes.
So why do people not make it look as if the rich man is enjoying more than them?
Because I'm using leg to trek. Sometimes I pay transport to go wherever I want to go. But the rich man, he use his motor. Just pay the motor and go without paying a transport.
Is there anything that the rich man have enjoyed in life that you have not enjoyed before?
I don't think there's any.
Seriously?
Yes.
So why do we now envy the rich?
You know, some people think as in they are the best in the world. So me, I don't think so. I'm more than them, as in.
Oh.
They're not the best in my side.
I'm asking a question.
Okay.
Is there anything a rich man enjoys as food and drink that you have not enjoyed?
Not at all, except the consistency.
Seriously?
Yeah, he's consistent inside AC, but mine could be off and on, and he's consistent with a luxury car. Mine could have been seasonal, and the food places you go to eat, he could have been consistent going there. My own could be occasional.
Okay.
That's just the differences, but I do all he does.
So at the end of the day, there's nothing to envy or like shout, now this man get money, they enjoy past me.
Yeah, sure, you envy the consistency, sure.
Okay.
Not only.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
If any man calls you on this face of earth telling you, if you see where I am, I'm enjoying, it's either food or drink. There is nothing your body will remember on the face of earth that is not food or drink. However, there is nothing in this life that a rich man have enjoyed that a poor man have not enjoyed. The highest food whatsoever is rice. The difference might be the way of preparation, but it's either cooked, roast, baked, fried, or maybe eaten raw. So I don't know why you should envy a rich man that he's enjoying more than you. Everything a rich man has eaten, a poor man, even a beggar, has eaten it. Therefore, there's no need for us to envy anyone. God has made everything available for everyone. The occasions might come, they might not be consistent, but surely we're all going to be enjoying this life. Thank you and God bless you. I'm out of here.